This is a message to everybody.
Well, this happened to be a serious voice note for anyone who is stating reggae is not in Jamaica. Well to note, reggae is here and alive and well.
It's serious. How Japa sleep, tell them to wake up.
Dennis Wax is still here, alive and well. The man dropped a video. The man dropped a video from his 1969 hit, The Gifter, a song that he have revitalized. People, the video is trending like crazy. People, it just goes to show we're not dead, not dash it well. So viewers and subscribers, this 1969 hit song has been revitalized and everybody is loving it. So if you have not checked out the awesome video, the wonderful video, the classic hit song is still alive and well.
I'm Dennis Wax and I'm representing DJ Slick 44 Music News.
All you need to do on your part is go and stream it. Go and buy it, purchase it. Buy it on Apple Music. Buy it from iTunes. Stream it on Spotify. Watch it on YouTube. Support the artists. Support the movement and support Dennis Wax. Put back a little thing in the artist's pocket. Remember, this is a man who constantly working, constantly doing great things, and he's not been compensated for his work. Now you have the time, now you have the chance to put a little back in his pocket. Put a little back in Dennis Wax hand. Now, my loyal viewers and subscribers, what you waiting on? What are you waiting on? Now is the time for you to give back. Now is the time for you to put something in the artist's pocket. Go and stream the music. Go and stream the song. It's available on all digital platforms. Yeah, man.